Welcome to Excel for Data Analysis Part 1. In this video, we will use a sales dataset for various electronics items and answer key questions using Excel functions like sum, max, mean, count, average, SUMIF and COUNTIF. You can download the dataset from the link in the description and follow along step by step. Let's get question is, what is the total sum of sales for all the products? Imagine you are a store manager and you want to know the total revenue generated by all your products. For this, we will use a sum function. Then select the complete range you want to sum up and enter. Next, let's find out which product had the highest sales. This could help you understand which item is your top performer. For that, we use the max function. Is equal to max and select the range. Enter. This might tell us that laptops are the highest demanding product. Next. Now on a flip side, we want to identify which product had the lowest sale. Knowing your weakest seller is crucial for inventory decision, and for that we use the mean function. Select the complete range, enter. As we see here, the product with the lowest sales is the charger, with only 50 in sales. Now let's move to the next question. How many sales entries do we have? For that, we are using count function, which simply counts the number of numeric entries in column. Then select the range which we are counting. Enter. Here we see that there are 8 sales entries. Let's move on to calculating the average sales value across all products. For that, we are using average function. The average sales value for all the product we get by using average function. Enter. Here we get our answer. We can verify it here, average, count and sum, which are matching with our result. Next, now let's answer more specific questions. What are total sales for only the products in the electronic category? This is where the SUMIF function comes in handy. It allows us to sum values based on condition. First, we have to select the range. Here our range is category. So first we will select the category column. Then comma. Our criteria is electronic. We are searching electronics item sales. Then sales column. Enter. Okay. 4,400 electronic items are sold. This function is great for categorizing and analyzing data by specific groups, making it much easier to understand different sections of your business. Here we can check by summing up all electronics items, and this is a match up with our result. Next, let's count how many products fall under the accessory category. We will use the COUNTIF function, which counts the number of entries that match a specific condition. Then select the range. Then comma, Select the accessories. There are 4 products in the accessory category. This function is especially useful when you are dealing with a large data set and need to count a specific item quickly. In this video, we have used some essential Excel functions to answer key questions about our sales data. We have covered sum, max, mean, average, SUMIF and COUNTIF. By answering these questions, we have taken the first steps